Hi friends, in the last video I showed you all the merch that I got from the J-Hope Hope on the Stage concert in Oakland, and in this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to display my light stick. I like to display things kind of neatly. I don't know, for those who maybe know me in person, maybe you think my house is a mess, but anyway, I want to display this kind of in a nice way, not being a memory box yet, but specifically for the light stick. So all I did was I went on Amazon and I found this. So we're going to put it together, and I'm just going to share my first impressions about it so that if you have a light stick and you want to display it in a different way, you can try this out. Now I also went on Etsy and I found stands just for the light stick, but I wanted it, I did kind of want a box because I just didn't want it to get dusty. All right, so I've been waiting to open this up when I had the time to do this video. And so while I'm opening this, I just want to share, like, on this channel, like it's kind of new in a sense where I've been thinking of what type of videos do I really want to share. And so when I became ARMY, I just thought, you know what, I do want to share kind of my BTS, not just hauls, but just a little bit of that, but also still do some travel, still do some things that I, you know, maybe hotel room tours and even my travel must-haves, but sprinkle in BTS. So because I had just gone to the concert and trying to finish these videos, there are going to be a lot of haul-like videos, but in essence, I just really want to show you stuff that I use, whether it's from those type of, from BTS or concerts or travel, just the things that work for me, that help me, you know, just make my day smoother or better, or make something displayed better or utilized better. Gosh, I hope that makes sense.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
So anyway, these are the different parts. Okay, so you got 1, 2 of the big parts here, and then these 4, and the 2, and the little one. All right, I'll put a link to this item. It's a crochet K-pop light stick with box case. I'll put it in the description box below, and it does have a very quick but pretty straightforward tutorial on how to put it together. So I'll just show you right here. And it does say to take off the film first. So let's do that. I think it might just be on one side. Oh no, it's on both sides. Okay. Okay, I did want to show you that this is the part where the film has been taken off, and this still has the film. So you could see the difference, right? But I would still need instructions to take off the film. Okay, while I'm taking this off, I'm re-watching the video because it's 24 seconds, but you can just pause it. Okay, so the first thing it tells you to do is to get this part here. So there's a part here with the slot. Okay. And then one of the bigger pieces with the slot. Okay. And you're gonna kind of put them together here. Okay, so you see how the slot and the slot are next to each other? So you put that in. Okay. Oh. So it doesn't click, which I do like things to click. Okay, that was easy. So let me play this again. Okay, then you take this little thing Okay, the one with the slot here, how you see how, oh, they're both exactly the same. So the slot now goes this way. Okay, good. Got that. The smaller piece now goes under, yeah. Okay, hold on. I'm saying hold on to the video. So the smaller piece. Okay, I was kind of afraid of breaking that. All right, can you kind of, oh, the lights are showing. Kind of hard to see. Sorry, it's like clear on white. Hold on. Okay, I don't even know if that really helps. Okay, so now we have to go to this side. I'm gonna take one of these. So basically the same opposite side. Okay. All right. I'm sorry guys if this is not a good angle, but you'll see it at the end. All right, so now, right, you have the part where it had the slot. So now we're gonna put the other one that has the slot there. It's pretty straightforward. I definitely would need a little bit of I would definitely need the video first. So all of them have slots here, 2, 4, and 5. Okay, that took a little bit longer than I thought it would, but this part here, you will definitely hear it click. So it was better for me to put these on first, make one click, and then these went on, okay? So now there are 2 pieces left. You're going to use the one, see how this has only 1 slot? Well, we're going to use the one that has the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7 slots. And that's gonna be the bottom. And you can see how that will fit perfectly there. Okay guys, that was my fault. Honestly, I just want to finish the video. What I might do is get a new one just to fix this part here, but it's still workable. And then this last part has something sticking out that will fit into these holes. Okay. All right, so it does close up here. Then you can open it up to put your light stick inside. Okay, so let's open it up. And it stays there. Put the light stick in. Yeah, because I wanted to keep the cap on. Yeah, I think that fits the strap there inside. Okay, and then it has a spot here where you could put the light stick box. Okay, so the light stick box, it did come with these photo cards. I was debating if I should put them in with them, but I might just use this for something else. So I'll set those aside with my other photo cards, and then we will close it. Okay, that's not bad. That part where I kind of broke it, it might be okay. Okay, put it together. There you go. Yeah, so that's the part that I broke. So what I'll do is probably contact them and see if I could just get this one piece, just that one piece. But anyway, I like it. And then You just open it here to grab your light stick for the next concert. I've left the batteries in that light stick box. Okay, here I put it on this bookshelf in my home office, and I fixed that part here so you can't even tell that that little part broke off. Anyway, I love it. Look what I found on the floor. The second piece. I think they know it breaks often, but I don't want to. I still love the product. I definitely recommend it. So let me fix that part with this extra part. Okay, friends, I fixed it. That was so smart to put a second piece. All right, I love it, and I definitely recommend it if that's something that you're looking for, putting it into an acrylic box versus light stick holder. Now you just have to be careful, as you can see from what happened with mine, and I suggest that you hold it at the bottom, underneath the bottom when you go to transport it, because it doesn't like totally click in. It clicks in, but I think the weight of the light stick will make the bottom come out, which is not a big deal. So anyway, it's there, it's displayed. Let me know if this is something that you would get, or what do you use to store your light stick. And if you want to see the merch that I got and the freebies that I got from the J-Hope concert, then click the previous videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bora hey!